Okay, so we're first going to go to Google Photos app. Usually the photos appear there. So we're going to go here to albums and it says create albums. So we're just going to add a title. So let's say Wedding Anna and Sean. And then we're going to add photos. And then since we don't have anything right now, we're just going to close it. And the album is empty. And then we're going to go back, but our album has been created over here. From here, we're going to click on these three dots that are here in the album that we just created, and we're going to click Share Album. And then we're going to create link here where it says at the bottom. And it says, let anyone with the link see photos and people on this album. And we're going to say create the link. So once it's create our link, we're going to copy. And then here we can actually see what the settings are. And we just have to make sure that this one, which is let others add their photos and videos, is selected, right? So the other ones can be turned off if you want, or if you want, you can just leave them on. But then this one that's collaborate has to be on. This one, let anyone, this one has to be on as well, the link sharing one. And I like to have the comment and likes. You never know, maybe somebody likes to give a nice comment to you. And then we're just going to make sure we copy link. Okay, from here, we're going to go to Canva, where we're going to have, we can create our design. You can make it a 5x7, an 8x10, depends on what size you want in the, like in your table. We're going to be using our already existing design. So here we have like a few ideas of special moments throughout the night that we would like for people to, take a photo of. And then here, we're going to do the QR code. So we're going to go here where it says apps. And in search Canva apps, we're going to write QR code. And then we're going to select this first one that comes out. It's called QR code and it has like a QR code logo. And now we're here, we're going to enter the URL that we just created in our photo album. You can customize it. You can change the color of the background. You can change the color of the code itself. We're just going to leave it as is. And it generated our new code. From here, we're just going to delete this one. And we are going to go just kind of centered. Center. And that's it. Now from here, you're just going to go to share. You're going to press download. And you're going to select PDF print file type. And then you're going to go download and it's going to download directly into your computer. So now you're ready for print. I just want to show you as a guest what it would be when I scan. So let's see. Oh, I'm trying to put it. So from here, I'm going to go, let's say as your guest, camera. And once I scan the QR code, this is what's going to show up. And it says album is empty, add photos. So I can just add the photos. So let's say these are the photos from my phone, or here, choose files. And, photo library, I mean. And then these are the photos from my phone. Let's say that I would like to upload. So let's select those ones, add, and it's adding. Okay, perfect. You're backed up 5 items, and now my photos are uploaded. So now let's go back to, it's the next day, and you just want to see your photos. So let's refresh. As you can see now, we have the photos that we just uploaded. Now they're in your photo album.